a camera lens, a mobile phone.
Brothers, let's eat some wheat to replenish our energy. Did you eat all of these? Eat, I want to eat. Okay.
Another Xiaomi 11. The rear camera won't open. Better replace it properly. Because this camera sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, I suspect there might be an issue with the power supply pipe next to the camera. I'll try to solder it at a high temperature. There is a certain risk, and I need to inform this fan. Hey Douyin user Wang Xiaojian, there is a certain risk, and I need to tell you first. Under normal circumstances, to repair these chips, you need to remove them, but I don't have the equipment here. One is a microscope, and the other is a suction device. You can take pictures now. Tested for most of the day and the camera had no issues.
Call the phone.
He comes with one. The shutter kept falling, and after I opened it up myself, the first flex cable got broken. It broke here. For this kind of flying lead, you generally need air core wire, but I don't have any here, so I can only use copper wire. discovered that the flight here was already completed. Then looking at his camera, he said the shutter kept falling. He probably misspoke. It should be aperture lock. Aperture lock cannot be opened. Look how small this stuff is. This pork rib, and the leaf is so big. Look at this guide. I can't understand this. This tooth with a bit of shadow is not parallel with the upper and lower teeth. Then, if you apply a little force, the gear here is broken, which will cause the two gears to clash. But I don't have this kind of tooth here. The outer diameter of the gear is 2 millimeters, and the height is 1 millimeter. 8, 9, 10, 10 teeth. It's already getting smaller. Should we buy a gear, or will you buy it yourself? Yes. All the parts are sealed up. Just consider it as a fun activity.